Anand came to RMCL, Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning, in search of a Bharatanatyam teacher to continue his learning in Bharatanatyam after his Arangetram in 2020. But when he came to Ramana Maharshi Center for Learning, he found something new. The Bharatanatyam which is taught here is powered by theatre arts for holistic development. And the theatre arts includes various tools of theatre, which of course includes dance, but it also includes the music and the rhythm. It involves drama, where each one plays their role, and there is a dialogue, and there is of course storytelling, which is a beautiful tool of theatre arts. And there is also the handling, the costume and the props, which can be viewed as the art and craft. In theatre arts for holistic development, these tools of theatre are not just the end. They are the means to achieve some goals, to grow and to have a holistic development. And that's what we see in Anand. So when he came to learn the Bharatanatyam, the Ramananjali Nritya as we call it, which is powered by TAHT, there was an overall development in him. He was very interested in the stories that were shared in the class, and we realized that the stories, he's not just listening to the stories just in the class, but he is remembering the stories and also implying that and using the lessons from the stories in his daily lives. And we see how beautifully he could compare two situations. And one of the examples which Ramaji told me was that when he played the role of Rama, and he thanked Lakshmana for building the beautiful cottage in Panchavati. And then he realized that he should thank his grandmom too for doing the interior of the new house that I had taken in Bangalore. So there is a connection between the theatre and life. That's why Dr. Ambika Kameshwar says theatre is life and life is theatre. So whatever we learn in theatre can be easily understood and implied in life. And the lessons that the life teaches us can be expressed through theatre arts. And this is what we have seen in this experience, in this journey with Anand.